Welcome back friends, this is udit and you're watching Ultra Technical. Friends, in this video I'll tell you how to start a new project and some of its settings. After opening Adobe Premiere Pro, just click on new project, and in this name section you have to write the title of your current project. Okay, after that you can choose location where you want your editing should be exported or videos should be exported. After that you have to select CUDA. If NVIDIA you have separated graphic card installed or hardware, then you can select CUDA. Okay, after that you can select HDV, but okay, you can select here HDV capture format. It will gives just a little bit better performance. Okay, color management, let it be. Okay, after that go to scratch disk. This is captured video, captured audio. This is captured video, the video which you will place in this from for example, you have two videos, video 1 and video 2, which you want to edit, and if you imported that video in this project, then that video's name should be different or same. Okay, so that's what it is asking. And this is audio, name of the imported audio. Okay, video previews, project autosave, CC library, motion graphics template. Okay, ingest settings. Just don't play with this right now. Okay, let it be. Okay, click on OK. That's it. This is how to create a new project in Adobe Premiere Pro. So hope this video helps you. Thank you for watching.